Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is January the 13th, and I checked on my peppers today, and one of the varieties that I planted is starting to come up. It's the sweet pepper orange sun. They were planted on 1/8, so I just want to show you that. It's this little one right here. So I'm going to leave these covered and let these continue to germinate. I just wanted to give you an update video and show you what they're doing. So I'll be putting the cover back on and closing the box back up to keep the heat in. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below. And don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. And I hope you have a nice day. Bye.